Alright, people. So, I'm going to do a Rubik's Cube again. Only because my last video, the quality sucked ass. Okay? Like, it looked so bad. And plus, I looked really bad in that one. Anyway, so, what I plan to do today is try to beat my record. And my record is 2 minutes and 27 seconds. And I guess 5 milliseconds. I don't know what you call it. But whatever it is, that's my time. And I want to beat it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset it. See that? It's all reset. There's no other part to it. I'm not cheating. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mess this up. I'm messing up right now. Not even look at it, even though I can't even read what they're supposed to be. Like, you know, people can be like, oh my gosh, how do you do this? I don't know how to do that. I really don't. Personally, I think that's really messed up. I really do. So, I don't mess this thing up. I almost dropped that. Alright, so, Rubik's Cube. It is one difficult piece of work here. I don't even know how the first person even did it or figured it out because I had to use YouTube hardcore for this shit, okay? But then finally I figured out how to do it. And I can do it now. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start the time right now. Let's go.
Garbage shit.
What garbage?
Yes.
Now time.
Eastside Cleveland, wow. Eastside Cleveland, wow, boy. We got baseball bats like the Indian. Man, we got baseball bats like the Indian.
Shut up.
And my team pop off like Cowboys. Mom and Dad said they weren't going to beat them.
Well, they lied.
They lied. These things are gross. These Nutri-Green bars.
You joking me? Those things are so good.
No, they're gross. Every one of them.
What do you want, Kendall?
No one cares, Kendall.
Keep on putting this on YouTube.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Done. Yes! 217.7.
That's too bad.
Well, before I had 227. I did it.
It's time for the K-Star juice.
No, it's not time for the K-Star juice.
It's time for K-Star juice.
But anyways, people, I did it. Don't have to be smart to solve a Rubik's Cube.
There you do.